Okay, so we're looking for other papers that cite this William and Betts article, and I can do that by going to the library webpage, which we can get at right here on the main webpage of GSU. And I want to go to databases by name and click on W because I know that Web of Science is going to be in there somewhere. And I'm going to try searching for William Betts. Let's see if it pulls up that paper. No. Okay. Well, I'm also interested, and let's go to PsycInfo then and see if we can't find other papers that cite William and Betts. Okay, here it is. I want to look at this record, and it will tell you the cited references. So these are the references that are cited in the paper, but it also tells you the times that this paper has been cited in the PsycInfo database. All right, so when you click on that, it shows you all the papers that cite William and Betts, and then that'll lead you to more resources that should help you. So here's a self-efficacy intervention comparison study. That looks kind of interesting. 2 interventions to increase math self-efficacy among undergraduate students. That, I'm going to bookmark that for later, so I would definitely want to come back to that one. Comparison of gender differences in motivation. I can come back to that one. Sources of science self-efficacy beliefs among middle school students. So that's actually interesting. I want to come back to that because we are interested in measuring what is the process of these students in our program developing a sense of self-efficacy. And here we go, paradox of self-efficacy, research with diverse populations. Definitely. In fact, I'm going to look at that paper right now, see if we can find it at GSU. Cross our fingers. It's from 2006, so it's likely that we'll have a PDF. That's nice. Not like the old days. Okay, so now I've got my PDF in there, and I can at least read the abstract at this point. And this looks like kind of a review paper. So self-efficacy literature with diverse populations is reviewed. All right, I definitely want to come back to that. I do want to just test this Web of Science thing once more. And look in Web of Science for the main paper that I want to cite, which is the 1994 paper by Lent, Brown, and Hackett. Than these, so I want to go sort by oldest to newest, and please go back to 96. That's not exactly Okay, so this is one, Hackett and Byers, that I'm very interested in. It's called Social Cognitive Theory and the Career Development of African American Women. And it's been cited 87 times. If I click on this in the Web of Science, it'll give me a listing of all the papers that cited that one and probably some good ideas on papers that I might want to cite as well. So this is neat, social cognitive predictors of the interests and choices of computing majors, that's kind of related, and specifically applicability to underrepresented students. So I could look and read the abstract about that and consider citing that as well. So you can see that these tools that are linking to papers that cite a paper you already know that you're going to include can uncover papers that are absolutely related to what you want to be writing about, and you can quickly build up a large pile of papers to choose from. Hopefully some simple and easy to understand papers that you should consider citing in your review.